I'm going to show you in this video how you can access product pages on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is just to go to the website builder. So if you are on my pages, you're here, if you're here on the H panel, go to pages, and then from here select your website, click on edit website, and then from here what we're gonna have to do is just to click on online store. So click on online store, and then here we're gonna have here products. Click on products, and now here we access the product pages. Now if you want, for instance, to access the settings for each product, you can click on here, and then here you have edit product, password, SEO settings, create QR code, password. You can enable Paxer, so limited access to this page by setting a password. You can also click on here and edit the products, and you also have SEO settings from here. You can also have here the website overview. You have the language, which is set to English here, and of course you can improve the SEO. You can add here meta description, SEO title, and if you go now back here to products, manage products, this will direct you to your store settings. From here, you can go to settings, and then here you can change the email, checkout, shipping settings. Also here in products, you can add more products. You can add, let's say, a digital product. You also can add variants from here, which I didn't know. So here in add, you can add a category as well. File, sorry, not for digital, so for physical. You have here add option, and in here you can see we can add different variants. And here you can see top2 variant, and here you can add an image. Okay, you can add the show lowest point, track quantity as well. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Now don't forget, if you want to add categories here, you can do it from this part. Just add category. Also you can change the order of your images. So yeah, thanks for watching.